Hey everybody, Parker York Smith here, and welcome back to my channel. So, Koio Shoes sent me over a couple different pairs. We're going to do a little unboxing. Maybe you're familiar with Koio. Two different guys started the company as a brand of shoes that they could wear to whatever you have going on, whether it's a meeting or just something casual, and you know we love versatility here. So, we're going to start with this pair, and then we'll do these in a little bit. Clean, sort of sea foam box with the logo on the top. Are you guys people who keep your shoe boxes? I've wondered that a lot because I never do. I trash them like almost immediately, even with my more like hype sneakers, my Jordans and stuff. Welcome to the Koio family there in the inside. That's very friendly. Got a shoe bag. I guess this is a good alternative. I also never keep these personally. Let me know if you do. Very nicely wrapped here. So this first pair, just a nice, clean, triple white leather low top sneaker. That's all that's in there, so you won't be needing that. So these are the Capri in triple white. By now, hopefully everybody has something like this in their wardrobe already, but if you don't, this is a great option. These are a little bit more unique than something you may see from some other brands. I really enjoy this sort of stripe detailing along the heel. It's something that's subtle, but is definitely going to differentiate them from a lot of the other brands you see out there, because everybody's got a clean white sneaker out now. It's just such an easy seller for brands that of course they're going to make one, because you can wear this type of shoe with virtually every type of outfit. Whether you're going with a suit and you want to look casual but still dressy, you can go with a white sneaker. Or if you're just going super casual with some jeans and a t-shirt, a clean white sneaker works perfectly for that as well. I got these in a 44, and then the other pair I got in a 45, just because I like a simple shoe like this to fit a little bit more snug than I do a different style of sneaker, which is in the other box, which I will show you shortly. Some branding detailing on the tongue as well. I like that they come cross-laced, not bar-laced. It drives me crazy when brands send you shoes bar-laced, because I never wear them like that, because there's so much extra string in the shoe. So you end up having to like untie the whole thing and then relace it, and it's just much easier this way. I like on the toe box how it's just nice and rounded and clean. There's not a lot of excess detail on these, but there is definitely some. On the interior of the shoe, you can see here it kind of has the sizing and different information, and then some suede on the back of the heel there, just to add a little bit of extra comfort, especially as you break these in. These are going to run you $248 US, so that to me is pretty pricey for a pair of clean white sneakers. If this is the type of shoe that you wear every single day, then you can go ahead and justify that price tag, because you're gonna get a ton of wear out of them. Remember the cost to wear ratio that we've talked about in the past. You take the amount of times you wear them, you divide it by the days in the year, and it gives you exactly how much it's costing you every single time you wear the shoe. They're very good looking. Not sure I feel okay about the price tag, but we're gonna put them on right now, see what they feel like on foot. Okay, so first of all, I just need to acknowledge this hilarious shoe horn that my mom got me for Christmas. So you don't even have to bend over when you put your shoes on. Shoe horns are actually really nice, especially with nicer sneakers, because you don't even have to unlace them, but it makes it a lot easier to get them on and off without breaking down the backs or creasing them a bunch. Ooh, I also just noticed that there is a little thing on the tongue for the laces, but they didn't lace it through there for you, which I don't love, but small details like that, especially when you're paying this much for a shoe, it seems like it should be done for you. They're very snug. Like I said, I got a smaller size for this one, but overall, they do feel really nice with just a simple outfit like this. But if I wanted to dress them up, I could do a suit or something like that as well, because they are so streamlined and clean, they would work perfectly. Okay, for shoe number 2, same boxing. These are the Avalanche in nude. A little bit more of a chunky sneaker style. Same exact box. Welcome to the family. Get another shoe bag, dust bag, whatever you want to call it. Now these are a little bit more unique. Kind of like chunky dad style sneaker. Really, really interesting and fun. I also really love the colorway. So these are a lot more complex than a simple white sneaker, obviously. On the back, we've got the labeling there. There's really subtle hints of patent leather, which I never noticed and I really enjoy. I'll be interested to see if chunky, sort of quote unquote ugly sneakers continue to be as popular in 2020 as they have been in 2019, because I think they're really stylish, they're really fun. I like these because they're kind of a mix between something super heavy duty and crazy and something a little bit more tame like these. They have some other colorways of these that are a little bit more intense, but I really liked these. The sole kind of has this little bit of almost like topographical like mapping detailing, which I think is really cool. It just adds a little bit of extra style. It gives me somewhat sort of Yeezy 700 style vibes. Very subtle detailing right there on the side of the shoe. And then it is a smooth leather mixed with a suede, and then you get those little pops of patent leather like we talked about. The lacing, again, so frustrating that they did not lace it through the tongue loop, but it's got another little set of branding right there with the tongue pull. So when you're putting them on, it makes it a little bit easier. The toe box, very rounded and clean. It kind of is just a little bit more unique than something you're gonna see a lot of people wearing, but also is not something that's so out there and crazy that they're gonna be a complete focal point of every single outfit you put on, like the Triple S's or some of the other sneakers out there right now. On the bottom of the sole, texturized, but nothing too intense. Live Tech. I guess that's some proprietary thing that they do, but I'm excited to try these on. I have actually not even worn them yet. I got these in a size up. Like I said, I didn't want them to be super snug on me. I wanted to have a little bit more room to breathe. So I don't know. I think they're cool. They're not for everybody, but we'll see what they feel like on foot. Let's go try them on. I did forget to mention the price on these. These are gonna run $298. So even a little bit more pricey than the white sneakers, but also they're a little bit more unique. So you're getting a little bit more for your money, perhaps. The fit is excellent for the 45. For me, I typically wear like a 12 in Nikes. So that gives you any sort of like reference point. They feel really nice. They're very comfortable. That chunky sole makes me feel a little bit elevated, almost like I'm standing a little bit on the ball of my foot, which I actually really like because it's gonna give me a lot of mobility when I'm wearing them. It feels a little bit, to be honest with you, like a walking shoe, and I mean that in a good way. Like, they feel like something I could wear all day long and be extremely comfortable in, but they also better feel that way for 300 bucks, you know? I enjoy the solid nude colorway like this because it almost kind of looks like a bit of a boot if you just quickly glance at it. So you could wear it with an outfit like this and almost have somewhat of an outdoorsy vibe with this style and color of shoe. Whereas if you wanted to dress them in a little bit more of a street inspired outfit or something that's a little bit more out there and really contemporary, you could definitely do that too, because this style of shoe is so popular right now. And there you go. Two different really nice, high quality pairs of sneakers from Koio. I did not mention this before, but I'm pretty sure everything they make is handmade in Italy, which obviously is going to raise the price tag just because the quality of the design, the quality of the materials, the quality of the craftsmanship all goes way up when it's Italian made. So if you like something that's super bold and interesting that you're not gonna see everybody wearing, love the Avalanche. If you're a little bit more clean and classic, something like the Capri could work really well for you. But they even have a few other styles as well, so go check out Koio for yourselves if you are interested, if you got some of that holiday cash you're looking to spend. There's links down in the description. If you guys enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, tell a friend about the channel. Go follow me on Instagram, lots of cool shoes on there as well, and I'll see you guys next time.